This video will show you how to use Bloomberg Excel to download historical bulk data. Begin by clicking on the spreadsheet builder in the top left. You can then begin searching for the securities you're doing your project on, and this could be as many as you like. You can then select the fields you want to return company data for. This can be really helpful if you're using Bloomberg peers and comparing companies. Again, you can have as many fields selected as you want. For the video, I've only used 3. Then you can tailor the date range to whatever it is you would like. This can be going back as far as you want. You can then also select what intervals you want the data on.